As you can see, our past presidents, committee members, principals and staff members are being given a traditional welcome by the students of secondary section. Flower petals are being showered on them to make their welcome auspicious and memorable. Every member is being honored with a rose as a mark of our respect and gratitude by KG students.
A warm and a hearty welcome to all our ex-staff members of Vani Vidyalaya.
We welcome all our past presidents, committee members, principals and staff members of this institution.
Suresh.
Please be seated. I request all to be please seated. I request every member in the auditorium to be seated. Everybody, please be seated according to the placards to the sides of the auditorium. Please follow the placards to the sides of the auditorium. Every seat is reserved for you all. Please follow the placards. I request everyone to be seated. We have to continue with the program.
Suresh,
People standing behind,
may I request all the dignitaries to please come. Hello, sir. Now I request the school band to give a royal salute to the present officers of our institution. Host of today's program, Mr. Ashish Dwivedi, a specialty Aditya Birla Group, and the member of the governing body of BITS Pilani and IIT Mumbai. President of SIO Management, Sri Pasan Sir, Secretary Ramakrishnan Sir, Principal Ma'am Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, all the other managing committee members, the Principal of Junior College, Mr. Ashok Jadhav Sir, AHM Secondary Section, Mrs. Naina Rodrigues, Supervisor Secondary Section, Mrs. Janki Iyer and Mr. Ashok Kumar, and the Headmistress Primary Section, Mrs. Sampu, to the audience. Come on.
please stand to welcome the dignitaries who are being escorted in by the school band. We have the chief guest, Mr. Ashish Dwivedi, president of one of the Aditya Birla Group of companies and member of the governing body of BITS Pilani and IIT Mumbai. Followed by the president of SIO, Shri C.V. Srinivasan, honorary secretary Shri V. Ramakrishnan, principal Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, and other committee members. We also have the administrative staff of 3 sections. Vice Principal Junior College, Mr. Ashok Jadhav. Assistant Headmistress of Secondary Section, Mrs. Naina Rodrigues. Supervisors, Mrs. Janki Iyer and Mr. Ashok Kumar Shukla. Headmistress of Pre-Primary and Primary Section, Mrs. R. Sampurnam, led by the head girl, Ms. Gayatri Nair, and head boy, Jacob Augustine. seated. Good evening and a hearty welcome to all our invited guests and well-wishers. Today is a special day as it stands testimony to a very memorable event. An event that has long been awaited. An event that is a witness to the confluence of 6 decades of Vani Vidyalay's triumph and glory. It is an event that provides a platform to honor and salute the worthy efforts of many architects of Vani Vidyalaya who forged and sculpted this masterpiece of an institution. Abroad, swell our hearts with pride and are true indicators of the fulfillment of the dreams of our visionaries. This year, as we celebrate the Diamond Jubilee, we fondly look back on all those memorable experiences and hope and pray that Almighty God continues to bestow His grace and blessings on us forever. I request all to stand as we commence our program with a prayer by students of Standard 11.
3, start.
Dim dim tanana dim dim tanana dim dim tanana dim dim tadim. Dim dim tanana dim dim tanana dim dim tanana dim dim tadim. Yajjagrito jagrito duram mudati devam. Duram mudati devam. तदुपसुप्तस्य तथैव इति तदुपसुप्तस्य तथैव इति दूरं गमं ज्योतिषां ज्योतिरेकं तन्मे मनः शिवसङ्कल्पमस्तु 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 धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तदीं धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तदीं सुशारति अश्वानि वा सुशारति अश्वानि वा यत् मनुष्याने नियते यत् मनुष्याने नियते अभिषु विवाजिन्निव ऋतप्रतिष्ठं यत् अजीरं जविष्ठं तन्मे मनः शिवसङ्कल्पमस्तु 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 धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तदीं धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तदीं यस्मिन् वृषा सामयजुंषि यस्मिन् प्रतिष्ठिता यस्मिन् प्रतिष्ठिता रत्नाभाइवार 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 यस्मिन् चित्तं सर्वमोदं प्रजानां तन्मे मनः शिवसङ्कल्पमस्तु 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 धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तनना धीं धीं तनना धीं तदीं धीं तनना धीं तनना धीं तनना धीं तदीं ॐ पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते
Please be seated. Life is what we maketh it, says an old proverb. I would like to add, an institution is what its leaders maketh it. We at Vani Vidyalaya have been fortunate to have had the best leaders to lead us in the form of principals. As every institution flourishes and excels with the hard work and farsightedness of its leaders. Our present principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, believes in the saying that the key to a successful leader is influence, not authority. Her achievements, both on a personal and professional level, suggest the fact that she is a true leader and a strong influence on many to strive higher in life. She has added several feathers in her cap, the notable ones being the Global Achievers Award for Excellence in Education in February 2013 in Dubai, and the Bharat Excellence Award and Gold Medal for doing extraordinary work and greater excellence in the field of education in July 2014 in New Delhi. Her resolute spirit, her inexorable ideals, and an optimistic vision for the future of Vani Vidyalaya has helped this institution to excel and grow to the present stage. I now request our Madam Principal to welcome the gathering.
Good evening. The chief guest for today's function, Mr. Ashish Dwivedi, the President of SIO, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan, Honorary Secretary, Mr. V. Ramakrishnan, other members of the Managing Committee, the Vice Principal of Junior College, Mr. Ashok Jadhav, the HM of Secondary, Mrs. Naina Rodrigues, our supervisors, Mrs. Janki and Mr. Shukla, head teacher of our primary and pre-primary, Mrs. Sampurnam, the ex-presidents of SIO, the ex-SIO members, ex-principals, ex-staff members of Vani Vidyalaya, the present staff of Vani Vidyalaya, my students and the alumni. A warm welcome to the felicitation ceremony this evening. Dr. Radhakrishnan once said, "Civilization is not made by bricks or mortar, or even steel or machinery. It is made by men and women of high values and character." A story is once said of two builders. The one builder went hurriedly and built his house on sands. The rains came pounding down. The floods rose menacingly. The streams beat vehemently on the sands, and the house on the sands collapsed. Yet another builder took time and he dug deep. He dug real deep till he touched rock bottom. The rains came pounding down. The floods rose up menacingly. The streams vehemently beat, the torrents beat upon the house. But the house stood strong because it was founded on the rock. Education, my dear friends, is the rock on which we build our future. You are the wise master builders of Vani Vidyalaya. You laid a solid rock foundation with steely determination and skillful hands. You laid brick upon brick with your loving, tender care and immense sacrifices. You forged layer upon layer, weathering the storms of tide and times, to build a structure. May I say, not a structure, not a building, but a citadel of education called Vani Vidyalaya. Your zest and passion for teaching and the taught is what caused you to continue day after day, year after year, and may I say now, decade after decade. There was actually no mountain too high for you, no valley too deep for you, no challenge too difficult for you, and no dream too far for you to pick up the little ones or the young ones in their unformed, unfinished state, a diamond in the rough, to pick them up, identify their talent, cut it, shape it, polish it to shine brightly for the world to behold. My salutations to all of you, the destiny planners, the destiny makers, and the destiny shapers. Our Diamond Jubilee is all the more special, all the more memorable, because you are here with us this evening. May I extend a warm welcome and let the celebrations roll for Vani Vidyalaya as we have the felicitation ceremony underway. Have a great day and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam, for those words of gratitude.
Good evening. A tribute to the teachers from the students of the primary section.
I had nowhere to turn, had nowhere to go. This is just something I think you need to know. I don't know what made me trust you. I still remember the day when I told you what I went through. I thought I should run away, go hide in a hole. But then you really brought out my true soul. As each day grew longer, our trust became stronger. Each time I wanted to cry, you stayed there, right by my side. Then I moved to the next grade. Boy, I was afraid that our trust would slowly fade. But I was wrong. We are still strong. I am so glad that you were there when I was sad. And this is what makes you not just my teacher, my friend.
Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Teachers serve the society by instructing and guiding countless students through different stages of their growth. They prepare them to take on the world which they will be a part of. Just like a philosopher who shows his young audience the ways of the world.
Teacher looks after the best interest of the students and raise them to be good citizens and good human beings. In the early years, when a student is first exposed to the people outside the family, he is scared and frightened. He hopes to find in his teacher a friend who will function as his family away from home. When a teacher assumes the role of a friend. Learning no longer is a task, but it's a pleasure. The teacher befriends her students as students respond better to friendship than authority.
Joyce Meyer rightly said, teachers can change lives with just right mix of chalk and challenges. Students are like clay and teachers are like potters who shape their destiny. She ensures that the child gets the best possible start in life with solid foundation from where they develop and grow. Teachers are the best minds in the country. They make our life knowledgeable and fulfilled by serving as our beacons of light. As Anatole France said, the whole art of teaching is only the art of awakening the natural curiosity of young minds for the purpose of satisfying it afterwards. The role of a teacher is of utmost importance and helps nurture the present and the future of a student. The teacher plays different role in a student's life. He or she is a friend and guide, helping the students to find their true path in life. They can make or break a future generation. Such is the power that rests in the hands of the teachers.
Education is a bridge to a better world. Teachers provide a stimulating and enjoyable environment to live, learn, and experience success in the career of a child. We salute the teachers for your dedication, devotion, sincerity, and hard work, and also your meritorious services to the community at large, giving a new outlook with a growth legacy of excellence in education. Thank you.
Help us to express our feelings in a beautiful manner. We, the students of Vani Vidyalaya, are here to add more joy to this joyous occasion with a beautiful semi-classical dance.
Korean.
Good evening to one and all. Diamond Jubilee celebration is an act of expressing reverence and appreciation of the glorious existence of 6 decades of Vani Vidyalaya in the heart of Mulund. The SIO management took initiative of organizing traditional birthday celebration of our institution, Shashtyapurti, on June 7th. Lecture for teaching staff by Dr. Shanti Suresh. Seminars were conducted for students of standard 9, 10, 11 and 12 by Mr. Venkat Iyer, Shri R. Sheshadrinathan and Srimati Varsha Palkar, respectively, between 16th June and 5th August. Free medical checkup camp was conducted for SIO management, staff and family members by efficient doctors of Fortis Hospital. Reliving the memories of their Vani days, the Vani alumni met in 2 groups, 1966 to 1985, 1986 to 2013 at their alma mater, June 22nd and July 6th respectively. Functions up to this date was a great success and appreciative responses has made us initiate more programs throughout this year. Today, we have gathered here for a grand reunion and celebration of past presidents, managing committee members, ex-principals and ex-staff members. A warm welcome to all of you. Joseph Edison aptly says, what sculpture is to a block of marble, education is to human soul. It is indeed a great pleasure this evening to see a group of educators who played positive role model to every student of Vani in building their character and confidence to become honored citizen of India and the world. Proceeding with the formal function, I invite our honored dignitaries to come and take their seats on the dais. I request Madam Principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, to escort our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Ashish Dwivedi, President, Specialty Chemicals for Aditya Birla Group. He is also a part of governing body of BITS Pilani and IIT Mumbai. President of SIO's Managing Committee, Shri C.V. Srinivasan. Honorary Secretary, Shri V. Ramakrishnan, to the dais. Thank you. Flowers are the sweetest things God ever made, which have an expression of countenance and seem to smile. Like how the fragrance of flowers spread, let the happiness of celebrating Diamond Jubilee spread among all Vanians. Today, we use these flowers to honor our guest. We now present a bouquet of flowers to welcome our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Ashish Dwivedi. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir, for this program. We now present a bouquet to President of SIO Managing Committee, Shri C.V. Srinivasan. Welcome, sir. We present a bouquet to our Madam Principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry. Welcome, ma'am. We now present a bouquet to our Honorary Secretary, Shri V. Ramakrishnan. Welcome, sir. Good management is the art of making problems so interesting and their solutions so constructive that everyone wants to get to work and reach the goals and objectives. Such is the management of SIO, Swani Vidyalaya, headed by sincere, humble and active person with a genuine smile and some pleasing words. A good orator who inspires and motivates others with confidence. Yes, he is none other than President of SIO Managing Committee, Shri C.V. Srinivasan. I request, sir, to brief the audience about our institution.
Hello. Hello. Okay. Distinguished Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Ashish Dwivedi, our Principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, Honorary Secretary, Mr. V. Ramakrishnan, my colleagues, Vice Principal, Mr. Ashok Jadhav, Supervisors, Mr. Shukla Sir and Chanaki, and Primary Head Teacher, Sambhurnam, teachers, our ex-presidents, ex-principals, teachers, Vani alumni, our staff members and well-wishers, and all those who are present here. Good evening to all of you. It is indeed a matter of great pleasure to all of us to be here on this occasion to participate in today's function, that is the felicitation function being arranged here. The entire atmosphere is very much charged with great emotions, with full of spirit and enthusiasm. Our good old people, our Vani family people have come over here, and I am sure that our Vani family members may be remembering their good old days which have spent here with full of knowledge and all those things, and I am sure that they are very, very, very happy today. In human life, you can experience happiness in many ways. Different people are having happiness in different ways. The students are happy if they score good marks in the exam. The parents are happy when their children are obedient. The artist is happy when the audience appreciates him. The hungry man is happy if he gets food. So all are happy individually, all are very, very happy. But apart from that, the happiness which we are having today is not an individual type. It is a collective happiness that is most important. That is the happiness. It is very special and very good attitude for all those concerned, because such happiness you can't have anywhere. Because all of you ex-presidents and ex-teachers, ex-principals, all have come over here with very great thoughts, and you are all very, very happy, and this is special. I am sure that in the good old days what has been taken place, you may be remembering, you may be recollecting now. At this point of time, I would like to direct your attention to the good old days, starting point. That is, it was in the year 1955. This SIO was established with a few visionaries with a purpose of promoting education. And the year 1956, we started two divisions, the first and second standard, with 27 children. That is in the year 1956. The location was Moti Paichan Ratriya Shala, if I remember correct. The good old people can remember that, the location. And in 1958, we started fourth standard, and 1,200 square yards we acquired near the railway station, and we started fifth standard. And after 3 years, we have got up to 8th standard, and we started the shift system. That was up to 8th standard. Then in the year 1961, we got up to 10th standard come, and in 1963, the main building was inaugurated by then Chief Minister Mr. Kannamwar. That was the story behind. And in the year 1965, 25 students appeared in SSC with 88% success, 88% in SSC, and in the further after 2 years, it was 96%. Thereafter, the percentage of success has not come down. It has been increased 10%, and now I should say we have established a tradition of acquiring 100% success. Apart from this, it was in the year 1974, our school bag in Maharashtra, the whole Maharashtra in Malayalam and Science, the topmost. And in 1981, again we got in Tamil the topmost. That was another history. And not only that, in the year 1991, our school bagged the first prize in science exhibition. In 1993, we conducted a science exhibition here. That is another thing. And again, last year also we have conducted successfully the science exhibition. 1975, we started junior college. And it has been going on. And I should say that junior college developed to such an extent that within the last 5 years, we had to open new science division because of the rush in admission. One more division we started in science section. Apart from that, never in the history of had the experience of happiness we are having this year. In this, particularly this Diamond Jubilee year, we got 100% success in commerce. This is very, very important. I should say that all these great achievements could be made possible only because of the strenuous efforts put in by our students, together with the proper guidelines given by our able, efficient and experienced teachers under the dynamic leadership of our principal, Dolly Henry. Probably I am sure that all of you, our ex-people, may be very, very happy after hearing this. In the good old days, the students were not getting enough chance to show their potentialities in the stage. Only some selected few were coming. Today, everyone is getting the chance. For that only, we started Talentia Vani in primary section. And in junior college, Vani Extravaganza, and apart from that, we have got the annual day functions also. And we are also not lagging behind in the sports activities. We are very proud of that. In extracurricular activities. You are very much, so to say, Vani Vidyalaya stands as a landmark in the suburb, and it has come to a stage of excellence, and nobody can challenge the president. That is what we are doing. I must say that when the foundation is good, then only things will grow. First of all, if at all we can boast, the present committee can boast, we are very good, so and so, so and so. I must appreciate, I must congratulate, I must be happy with, because I'm sure that because of the solid foundation created, all those great people here who have come over here, we could achieve such a great success. My pranams to all those people who have come over here, and I'm sure that with this spirit and enthusiasm, this great vision will go on and go on in future also. I wish all those people good luck and prosperity and very health also. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, sir, for that inspiring and appreciating the past and the present, so that we can take Vani into a glorious height. The work of visionaries 60 years back has been like a vein of water flowing hidden underground, secretly making the ground green. Their dreams and aspirations for a linguistic minority South Indian school in the heart of Mulund has borne fruits. To be one of the most esteemed institutions to educate children of Mulundkars. This evening, we would like to honor and felicitate ex-presidents and ex-managing committee members who by their tireless and relentless effort took many decisions with due care to make Vani Vidyalaya an abode of education. The person who leads Vani Vidyalaya is a torchbearer of the visionaries, a potent combination of strategy and character incorporated with determination and confidence. Simple in actions and thoughts is our honorary secretary of the SIS Managing Committee, Shri V. Ramakrishnan. I request sir to do the honors.
Good evening to all of you. President Mr. C.V. Srinivasan, our Chief Guest Sri Ashish Dwivedi, Madam Principal Dr. Dolly Henry, our Vice Principal Mr. Ashok Jadhav, and our AHM Mrs. Naina Rodriguez, Supervisors of the Secondary Section Mrs. Janaki Ayyar and Shuklaji, and the Primary Section Mrs. Sampurna Madam, my esteemed colleagues in the Managing Committee, respected teachers, respected former principals and presidents, our Vani Vidya alumni members, members of our sister organizations who are present here today to witness this section, and distinguished guests, a warm welcome to all of you to this memorable day. A day to remember our old colleagues, both in the institution as well as in the organization. A day to rejoice and cherish the past glory of our institution and our achievements of our success in building this institution. A day to show our gratitude towards your sincerity and hard work in those days. Happy years when you were the part of this great institution for today's 60th year Dynam Jubilee year. Recognition and felicitation are always in our agenda of the Managing Committee. From 1955-56 to 2012 to 13, 59 years of great journey, and today Vani Vidyalaya stands before you, everyone as a landmark, and in pursuit of its growth, excellence, providing a quality education to everyone. More than 3,800 students from pre-primary to the junior college with a staff strength of more than 140, Vani has received its Best School Award this year by the North Zone Greater Bombay Municipal Department. Besides many achievements year after year, there were several hardships and struggles we faced throughout our journey. Our journey continues in your footsteps, and we will certainly transform our journey to make our visionaries' dream into reality. We have taken every effort to contact all our ex-staff members and esteemed managing committee members to honor them today at this memorable event. We have planned a year-long program for our Diamond Jubilee celebration till January 2015, when we will be having our finale event. The managing committee takes it a great pleasure to honor you, sir, and recognize your human services. Our alumni center also would like to present a small memento to all the teachers in this occasion. With these few words, I now request our chief guest, Sri Trivedi ji, and our president, Mr. C.V. Srinivasan, Madam Principal, our alumni representative, Mr. Radhakrishan, to felicitate our staff and managing committee members. Sir. To start with, it is now our earnest duty to felicitate the men at the helm of affairs who did their best for the exponential growth of this institution from its inception. We have past presidents here and former committee members are here who accepted our invitations and present here to honor us. Few members could not be present. However, they have sent us their communication wishing our program all success. To start with, may I call upon Sri K.V. Subramaniam, one of our senior-most presidents, who has come from Chennai to honor us. He is 80 plus, so bear with us. I think Vice Principal. It is for the alumni center. May I request Sri A.S. Gopalan, another past president. He is staying in Thane now after his retirement. May I request Sri S. Nambi, another past president, who is settled down in Airoli, Navi Bombay. They will pack it and give it to you, sir. Our Madam Principal Dali Henry was appointed by Mr. S. Nambi. Another person, Mr. V.V. Kishan, could not come. He has told us his apologies. We would like to honor some of our past presidents posthumously who did their best for that institution. I request Mr. Ramamurthy, son of Mr. P. Rajagopal. We have named our library, school library behind Mr. S. Rajagopal, P. Rajagopal, our ex-president. who is no longer with us. So his son is receiving the award. Mr. Krishan, son of our another person, Mr. Shivashankaran, who is not with us today. This auditorium has been renamed behind Mr. Shivashankaran's name. Another past president, Mr. Arunachalam, who was not with us today. I don't want to say anything about Mr. Arunachalam. Every one of you know Mr. Arunachalam. Till his last breath, he was there in the school, in the institution, worked for the institution. Fortunately, his Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Arunachalam is in Bombay, so we requested her to be present. And Mrs. Arunachalam wants to donate to the Diamond Jubilee celebrations 10,000 rupees. Other president's relatives could not come, so we moved to our managing committee members. To start with, Mr. C.V. Krishan, who is settled down in Hyderabad, could not reach here because of his health condition. He requested his son, Mr. Ramesh, to receive his memento. Mr. Ramesh is one of our ex-students. Another committee member, Mr. C.K. Vishwanathan, who has come all the way from Ahmedabad to honor us. He has come from Ahmedabad. He settled down in Ahmedabad now. Mr. Vaidyanathan could not reach because of his old age. C.R. Venkatraman, he is from Ghatkopar. He settled down in Ghatkopar, Chembur. They were all in the 60s and 70s. So I said 60s and 70s. I came to the committee in place of Mr. C.R. Venkatraman. Then he shifted to Ghatkopar. Mr. Ramanath, representing his father, Mr. K.R. Venkatraman. Mr. Ramanathan has renovated the SIO library in memory of his mother and his father. He was in Bahrain, now he has come to receive his award all the way from Bahrain. Mr. N.R. Iyer, he is now a popular social worker representing another sister organization, Brahmana Seva Samiti. They were all in the 1960s, they were in the committee. Leelavati Kantan, I think she could not come. May I request Mr. Vaidyanathan's son to come down, please? I am not. Please, on behalf of your father, you can receive that. Mr. S. Vaidyanathan. S. Vaidyanathan. Anyway, it's okay. I was not knowing that you were there. Mr. G. Venkatraman will be represented by his brother, Mr. S.G. Iyer. Has he come? Mr. S.G. Iyer? Okay. Mr. U.S. Chari, another old committee member, was a senior most member. Please come, help him. Those days they were all young, No. No, at least they have made it. We are all very happy because they have made it. That is the spirit now. Next gentleman, Mr. R. Chari from Chennai, who was our treasurer. Without his signature, nothing, we would not have spent so much money for Silver Jubilee and all. We celebrated Silver Jubilee, and in between Silver Jubilee and Golden Jubilee, we have shifted to Chennai. He has come from Chennai all the way to honor us. In those days, they used to go to door for collection to build the institution. Mr. G.S. Gida Krishnan from Palakkad, who could not reach, I think his brother Radha has come. Anybody has come? No. Okay. Mr. T.R. Sundaram, she could not come. Mr. Sundaram is here. Mr. T.R. Sundaram is from our Goshala Road. Please. Mr. K.S.S. Rajan, Sundar Rajan. Beautiful, he is connected with almost all the associations in Molunda. Grandson also. That's not a grandson. Mr. Venkatachalam has come. G. Venkatachalam. No. Okay. Mr. Sangameshwaran. He will be represented by his Mrs. Vasanta Ishwar, who happened to be a teacher here. She has come today to receive her. Yeah. I think Venkatachalam's daughter-in-law is here. Please come. I think madam has to come again. Now she is representing her husband as a committee member. Mr. Venkatachalam's daughter-in-law is here. She will receive. Pack panni tharuva. Mr. K.S. Hariharan, has he come? Okay. Mr. S. Challam, I think Challam sir is, yes, please come. He was in States, so has come here to receive this honor. who are our assistant treasurer for many years. Mr. G.S. Natarajan will be represented by Mr. N.R. Iyer. We will hand over to him. We request Mr. N.R. Iyer to hand over the bouquet and all the things. Ms. G.S. Natarajan, another old committee member who could not come today because of his... So V.S. Narayan. Mr. A. Hariharan, he has come from Tirunelveli as one of the very old members. He was on our committee for many years. When he got our invitation, he was very happy. Immediately he booked his ticket and he wanted to be here today to receive it. Kurma. Mr. K.S. Rajagopalan, he has not yet come from state, he is now in states. Mr. R. Bhavani Shankar, who was our secretary for many years, he settled down in Thane. Mr. Bhavani Shankar. Another member, Mr. V.K. Parameswaran, is in states, he could not come, he sent his message. Mr. C.K.V. Subramaniam, he was our treasurer for many years. Mr. C.K.V. Subramaniam. Mr. P.V. Krishnamurthy could not come. Mr. K.K. Murthy, he could not join us today. Mr. Ranganathan could not join us today. Mr. Yagneshwaran, he was also one of our committee members in the past. Mr. A.R. Parameswaran, not come. Mr. K.A. Parameswaran from Dombivli, he settled down in Dombivli now. Balan. Mr. A.R. Parameswaran, K.A. Parameswaran. Mr. V.R. Krishnan was come from Thane. He is a specialized person in our accounts. Mr. V. Subramaniam could not reach. Mr. Rajaram has not come. Mr. A.V. Raghuraman, he is from Reserve Bank of India, now retired. Mr. Sridhar Narayan. Narayan Lea. Sridhar Lea. Okay. Okay. Huh? Okay, he's out of session. Mr. C.R. Ramakrishnan. Mr. K.A. Balagangadharan, please. He is also alumni member. Mr. K.R. Venkatraman from Vadala, I could not reach, so he has requested our Assistant Secretary, Mr. Lakshmanan, to receive his. Sir, before we proceed, we'll have some break so that we'll again start. We'll come back again after 5 minutes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
one and all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for the 10th event of our Diamond Jubilee celebration. The success of any educational institution thresholds on not just the huge pillars, but like-minded visionaries who, with their ideas, principles, convictions and decisions, have transformed with the dissemination of knowledge to a world of quality education, opening its door in Vani Vidyalaya. For any educational institution, the most important pillar begins with principle. A principal is always a mentor, friend or guide who helps everyone grow with their vision, creativity and resilience, even though the tough times in any organization. Here is a small poem to all ex-principals and ex-staff members which echoes the sentiments of all the members of our faculty. To all ex-principals and ex-staff members of our institution whose work is certainly always on schedule. Oh, they are an enlightened soul. Preparing D-Nights for future is their goal. To them, she is like a mother or father, better than any other. You work so hard day and night. The future of these is surely bright. There is mysticism in your eyes. In the face of crisis, you're so calm and wise. The serenity in your face is the symbol of simplicity and grace. You take on life as a happy song. Your idols are so inspiring, so strong. You support your teachers with encouraging words and fight their battles with invisible swords. Many a time you have to scold, but that is because you want us to be bold. You help us to mold our attitude. For you, our hearts are full of gratitude. You motivate us to make use of our full potential and insist that training is essential. How beautifully you play your part, wherein we have a special place in our heart. We say you all are the best. All principals, teachers, other staff members put together cannot vie for a place that's greater in Vani Vidyalaya. We love you all, love you all, love you all. Now I call upon the Honorary Secretary, Mr. V. Ramakrishnan, to felicitate our ex-principals and ex-staff members.
Once again, good evening to all of you. I request our chief guest. Sir, please. President and our Madam Principal, Radhakrishnan. We'd like to honor the past principals and members of staff of Vani Vidyalaya today. As you all know, Mrs. Dolly Henry is our current principal. She has 6 predecessors in this institution. We would like to call upon our very first principal, Mrs. Lalita Sharma, who is even now a guiding factor. I request, she will never miss an opportunity. Many of our alumni people, they are students. More than we, they are all happy to see her. Please, students, आप लोग का टीचर है. All alumni members are her students. Now our second principal, Mr. Robert, could not reach. The next principal was Mrs. Sita Sundara. She is in Bangalore now. She could not come because her husband is not well. She has sent her greetings for all success of this evening's program. Now we move to our next principal, Mrs. Sarojini Nair, who has come from all the way from Kerala, Chennai. We are very happy he has accepted our invitation. He wanted to be here to meet everyone. She is a well-experienced personality and she was holding several positions before taking up the assignment as a principal. Our alumni is also giving a certificate of appreciation and some compliments. Madam, നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്റ്റുഡന്റ് ആണ് എല്ലാവരും. മാരുടെ സ്റ്റുഡന്റ് ആണ്. Somebody has to escort. The next principal, Mrs. Laisama John, she is in stage. I moved to Mrs. Mary Thomas, who took over the responsibility of the principal, and she was serving for more than a period of 5 years. The Golden Jubilee celebration was there. From principals, we now move to our junior college teachers who were with us. Few of them could not come. Our junior college section started from 1976. We are happy to inform that nothing is less than in this section. A team of more than 20 qualified postgraduate professors with good academic excellence are doing a wonderful job with managing more than thousands of students in science and commerce streams. The results analysis always be 100%. For the first time in the March 2014 exam, as our president said, commerce section had 100%. No other college in the city had received. With the 240 students, they appeared, all of them are passed. Before proceeding further, I would like to request our vice principal to take the junior college teachers to lead them to the madam. Mrs. Vedavalli Ramanujan, our vice principal, who has come here to honor us. She has made it, eh? Thank you. Another professor, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Gopalakrishnan, could not come today because some problem, bereavement in her family. And Mrs. Sheila Indra, she has not come. Chakravarti Jayantimala, she is in Assam, she could not reach. Mrs. Uma Srinivasan, she is in stage, she could not reach. Mrs. Sharada Shivkumar has come. I request Sharada Kumar madam to come here. Science teacher, eh? Science? Yeah. Vengat sir. Yeah. Same family, eh? Mrs. Sarasa Balasubramaniam, one of our best math teacher. Maths, madam? She is also from Thane now. Saraswati is maths, yeah. Saraswati, Suresh sir, teacher. So maths and maths join. No, we have a family, sir. We have a family, both in the committee as well as in the teaching. Mr. Mane, sir, who was very popular among the, not only among the alumni, among the committee members also. Mane, sir, still active, huh? No, at least he was able to make it. There is a Mr. Thomas Kurian is not rich. Mr. Shivashankar Nair, who was also his missus was in Kelkar College. He was in Vani Vidyalaya. So both husband and wife in both of their colleges. All these appointments were done by our old pulse committee members only, to whom we have represented. Yes, Nair sir can, I think, join the physical condition. Mrs. Aruna Lade, I think she could not come. Mrs. Shyamala Subramaniam. Chemistry department. English, English. From English department, yes. Mr. R.M. Pal, I think he could not come. Pal sir, Pal sir, our Hindi teacher, our Hindi sir, in the junior college section. Please, come. अभी भी है, जवान नहीं देखते. Government wrongly put 48 years are retiring. There is wrong decision. Sir, we are moving to secondary section now. I request our AHM to accompany that. Before proceeding, thank you, sir. Thank you. Hard work and sincere prayer yields a fruitful result. It is true in Vani's case. With a strength of more than 1,600 students from 5th standard to 10th standard, Vani's secondary section is a backbone of our institution. Maintaining 100% results in SSC board exams under the able guidance of our principal, Dr. Mrs. Dolly Henry, is a continuous creditable achievement. Vani's teachers in the secondary section from the very beginning firmly believed that Vani is a center of excellence, which focuses not only on academic performance but also on the overall development of the students' character, creativity and all-round capabilities so that they reach their goal in their lifetime. We were able to contact almost all the retired teachers in the secondary section, excepting a few. I love everyone has come here to honor us. To start with, Mrs. Padmavati Kaimal, she here, but she could not come out because of her. And she's waiting down. She's looking at this event. She has her daughter-in-law. Daughter has come. Please. This event is globally shown now by our Valmiki alumni people under globalliveevents.com. Everyone is seeing this event now. Simite Alikuti Chaku, another AHM. When she comes here, she looks young. Daily I see her to go when she goes to a church. She begins. सुपर सर शुक्ला सर आप भी आइए नहीं मैं जानेंगे मैडम प्लीज जाओ नहीं नो आई वांट देम टू नो हु आर द सुपरवाइजर्स हु आर द क्या आवर मेंबर्स विल नो हु आर द सुपरवाइजर्स हु आर द Mrs. Chandramani Vijayan could not read. She is there. Elizabeth Chaku, another AHM. Mrs. Kumudam Menaki, she is in Bangalore, she could not read. Miss Karta, she is in Kerala, she could not reach. She is Lakshmi Balakrishnan, she made an attempt but she could not reach. Mrs. Usha Subramanyam, supervisor, one of our founder committee members, C.V. Balan's daughter. Sri John Selvaraj, supervisor. See that? Sri John Selvaraj.
I dedicate all this award to my father, who was a founder member.
Mrs. Sulochana Krishnan, she has come. Anybody else? She is there? Yeah. School में active है, school कर रहा active. श्रीमती सरोजिनी मूर्ति, Anandam B. Pillai, she there? No, okay. Mrs. Vasanta Ishwar again, please, madam. As a teacher, will be receiving. You wanted to contribute something? Vasanta Ishwar wanted to contribute to the Diamond Jubilee celebration. She has brought her contribution along with her. Can we? Can hand it over to madam? President or Summit? Mrs. Govardhani Gopalakrishnan could not come. Mrs. V.R. Lapalikar. Vijaya Lapalikar. Yes, madam. Lapalikar madam has come. How they are enjoying 70s and 60s and all, திரு பாலையா சாரை அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறேன். அவர் தமிழ் ஆசிரியர் பாலையா சாரை அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறேன். பாலையா சார் இன்னைக்கும் ரொம்ப பாப்புலரா இருக்கார் எல்லாருக்கும். அவர் தமிழ் டீச்சர் பாலையா. See many Vanians பாருங்க அவெல்லாம் பாலையா சாரை பார்த்தா. ஸ்ரீ திருக்குறள் பாலையா கரெக்டா சார். SS Agar, Sri SS Agar, our drawing teacher. Agar sir यार जानते हो ना? Agar sir के किसी विरोध नहीं है. या. Next our Mane sir. PT means Mane. No, Sharat sir and Shmita madam looking after that, no? Srimati Rajesh Shankar. Please, madam, Mango. I think somebody has to escort her. Long. இருக்குல்லையா எனக்கு அதான் சொல்ல இல்லை அந்த இதில் எக்ஸிபிஷன் நான் சொல்கிறேன் லாஸ்ட்டில் சொல்கிறேன். ராஜேஷனோட ஃபோட்டோ கீழே எக்ஸிபிஷன் ஹாலில் போட்டிருக்கோம். And Vani celebrating Vanila. If you go there and room number 4, you can see all these teachers' photographs and the old memories. Mrs. Selim George. I think our Hindi subject, Hindi teacher. Selim George, but Hindi teacher. Yeah. No change. Yes. She liked it. Srimati Savita Tamane. Tamane Savita teacher. Yes. Savita teacher की बोलेगा ना ऐसा है ना. Savita teacher आई है. Pawar madam. नहीं. Renuka Namdar could not reach. She sent a mail to us. Belinda, Mrs. Belinda, she also could not reach. Srimati Shanda Shetty. Yes. Many of the her students are here. Always a smiling face, eh? Shanda Shetty. Cover not come. That's what they said. Mrs. Aparna Kamble. Kamble madam, please. Aparna Kamble madam. Mrs. Gauri Venugopalan. Normally she is in London, but today she is here. Fortunately, she is here. Correct, We will now move to pre-primary and primary section. I request Sambhurna Madam to guide us now, to join the felicitation. In tune with our slogan, catch them young, study while play. We have a wonderful and enthusiastic section of pre-primary and primary sections from nursery to senior KG and first standard to fourth standard. We always believe a strong primary foundation is needed to become a better citizen. Fortunately, the teachers in the above sections, both in the past and the present, have done and are doing a very good job. Our staff members in this section from the very beginning are well experienced, qualified and integrated and working hard in nurturing and enriching the young minds with special personal care. We would like to mention here that SIO management has taken every effort to provide all the affordable infrastructure to them on all the sections, including e-learning process. Now I would like to honor the primary section staff. Mrs. Annama Matikutti, our headmistress from the primary section, retired. Annama Matikutti, our primary headmistress. Mrs. Usha Sedu Madhavan, another primary headmistress, who retired. Chellammal Ranganathan, such a willpower she has had. She wanted to come, she wanted to receive, she wanted to meet every one of you. Look at the way she is coming. Mrs. Subbulakshmi Iyer, Kishore, our ex-student, will bring his mother all the way from Matunga. She wanted to meet all her colleagues. Kishore's daughter. Kishore was the chief guest in our last science fair annual day. Mudima. Mrs. Maithili Srirangam. Maithili teacher, Mango.